Hello everyone, welcome to this very quick tutorial on how you can transfer sketch onto watercolor paper. First, let's talk about why you would want to do that instead of directly drawing on the paper itself. Well, it's simply because watercolor paper is very delicate. So if you erase too much while sketching, which is totally normal, well, you can damage the paper, which can become very problematic when you start painting, because the paint will not react the same as you would expect, and it can trigger other problems, and you might start fighting with your paper instead of painting. So here the video clearly shows you how to transfer your sketch. You can use a light table. So I love using light tables. This way you can put your sketch that you drew with pencils on copy paper or whatever paper, or you can print a digital sketch from your computer, and you take your light table, you light it, you put the sketch onto the surface. You can tape it to the watercolor paper, so you are sure that if you move, both drawings will stay aligned, and you just have to trace over the lines. It's as easy as that. Many light tables have adjustable light, so you can lower the intensity of the light or increase it if you need more transparency of the paper. Now, an issue you can encounter is a paper that is too thick. Like basic watercolor paper is 300 grams. They exist in 600 grams, and also with rough or cold pressed grains that have this extra texture that is very beautiful and enjoyable. However, when you want to see through the paper to trace the lines, it can be difficult. And you can also have this same problem with hot pressed paper, and this is the problem I got on this very drawing that you are seeing here. It's a hot pressed Moulin du Roy by Canson. You know, for some reason I had to guess the lines of the facial features, so I basically almost redrew the face while lining the drawing. And even after that I was not satisfied, so I had to erase the face and redraw it, which was very, very frustrating. It can happen that it's a bit hard to guess the lines through the paper, but as you design the drawing, you already drew the lines, you know how to draw, and you should be able to handle that. Now, if you use watercolor paper that is glued on the four sides, you cannot put the light table underneath the block, of course. So another method to transfer your sketches is to use carbon paper. And this way you have your watercolor paper, you put the carbon paper on the right side, because it happened to me that I tried to transfer a sketch for an oil painting, and when I finished tracing my sketch, I removed the paper and saw that nothing was transferred because I put the carbon paper on the wrong side. And yeah, I was very, very frustrated. But the transfer was not very long to do, so I had to redo it right way. So you just basically trace your drawing directly with a pen or a pencil to apply the graphite to the watercolor paper thanks to the pressure. Back to the light table topic. You can buy just any. Mine is a Huion A3 because I love working on big sizes like 30 by 42 centimeters. So that's basically it. I believe they are all fine, but maybe look at reviews of products so you are sure to buy the correct one for you. So I hope this quick tutorial was insightful and that you enjoyed the actual line art of this illustration that is called Moon Spell and features two of my characters. On the left Enaida and on the right Vega, which are witches that I designed especially for Halloween 2021. The next video will be about the painting process of this piece Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more watercolor videos. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.